All right, here's a quick view of my Mr. Coffee coffee pot, and I'm going to show you a picture of the inside, what it looks like. But I have already gone through this machine. It has a cleaning cycle, so when the light comes on around this clean button here, all you're supposed to do is fill this halfway full of vinegar and then halfway full of water. So you fill it halfway full of white vinegar, halfway full of water, push the clean button, and like an hour later, you dump the carafe out. And, you know, it's supposed to be clean again. You put a couple more cycles full of fresh water through here. So you just press, you'll brew, fresh water. The smell goes away from the vinegar completely and makes a great cup of coffee. What it doesn't do is clean out this carafe here. On the inside of this, it smelled like coffee, and it was like a dark, dark brown. So I watched a bunch of different videos on how to clean this out, and I tried the baking soda version. As you can see, there's still a little bit of dry baking soda on the top there. But I did try the baking soda version, and it did not clean the brown nastiness out. So what I did was I put a dishwasher pod in here with hot boiling water that I got out of this pot. So there's clear water when this went in, and I want you to see what comes out. Now, it's going to be a little bit hard to see because it's a copper pot. But you can definitely see that what is coming out is a much darker than clear water material. And that is the soap from the pod. I'm going to finish doing this, and I'll be back with you in just a minute. Alright, so I went ahead and finished, and this is what was left in there. That went from clear water to, a very nasty brown mix. That has soap in it as well. So obviously I'll run this whole pot through the dishwasher when I'm done. This is the residue left over from the stuff from the baking soda. It does leave a mess. That was from the first time when I did the first set. And that brown nastiness has come out completely clean on the inside. No coffee smell. It is just absolutely perfect. I've already rinsed this. This has got clean water rinsed out of it. The inside of this is immaculate. I have never seen a better job. The cleaning material that I use, it's the Cascade #1 brand. All right, there it is. And that's what came out of there after many times of scrubbing, vinegar baths through the machine and everything. What a great way to clean out your stainless steel coffee pot.